Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching EN Kelani. Let's start today's question. So show first name and last name of patients who do not have allergies. So as usual, let's start with select and from patients table. So let's see what are the columns there in patients table. They are patient ID, first name, last name, gender, birth date, city, provenance ID, allergies, height and weight. So these are all the columns present in the patients table. Now we need to select some columns, right? So they are first name, comma, last name, and then they are specifically mentioning some condition, which that is those who do not have allergies. So if we like to execute some condition while retrieving, we need to use where class, isn't it? Yes. So we are using where class. Yes, where class. On what column we are applying this where class? That is allergies. What they are saying, allergies is null. So what we need, who do not have, right? So is null. Let us run it. Yeah, we got the correct answer. Thank you for the watching. Please do subscribe for more content.